Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make quick pickled jalapenos. We love jalapenos in our house, so it's fun to have a little jar of pickled jalapenos to throw on hot dogs and sandwiches and tacos and salads. Anywhere that you throw jalapenos, pickled jalapenos are delicious. To start, you'll need about 6 whole jalapenos. You'll just want to trim off the end and discard that, and then slice up your jalapenos, seeds and all. Once you have them all sliced up, then you'll need a pint-sized mason jar. Then you just stuff your jalapenos right into the jar. Now, I like to add a little bit of extra flavor to my pickled jalapenos. So I like to tuck in 3 whole garlic cloves. You can just mash those on in there. And a tablespoon of whole cumin seeds. Set your jar aside, and it's time to make our pickling liquid. To do that, we need to head on over to the stove. It's really simple. Just pour 1.5 cups of vinegar into a small saucepan. Add in 2 tablespoons of sugar and a tablespoon of salt. Give it a stir and bring this to a simmer. Once this comes to a simmer, we'll turn off the heat and head back to our mason jar. And just pour that hot liquid right into the jar over the jalapenos. You should have the perfect amount of liquid, maybe just a little bit extra. Go ahead and discard that and pop a lid on this, and be careful because the jar will be hot. Now, don't let the mason jar fool you. This is not a canned item. In order for it to be canned and stable for shelf life, you'll need to process that in a pressure canner. But I just pop mine in the fridge because they will stay good in the fridge for 6 months. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.